Okay, let's start 2 minutes early to make up for the delays that I had in the past. I seem to be prepared today, but it will be a rather short stream. I don't want to interfere. I think Quindor is streaming today. I completely forgot. Probably like in 2 hours. I don't know. What's the regular schedule? Oh, my greasy hair. I need to zoom back. Maybe we should focus on something. Hey, Jordy. How is your travels? Are you still in Britain? We missed you at the hangout. No, wait. Yeah, we had a hangout. Yeah, I was at the Embedded World on Wednesday. Oh, you had an amazing time. That sounds great. Hey, TMK. Yeah, hey Sonic, you came back home as well. I mean, cycling through the rain just to join me for an hour. That was crazy. Did you try? So Sonic actually went also to Embedded World just like to roam a little bit with me at the fair, and I. Oh, no live stream? Oh no, alright. Was wet, huh? So I just handed. Oh no! All the gimmicks I got from I got a backpack. Oh, the multimeter. I will grab it. We will review the things that I got. And I handed over the dev boards to Sonic because usually they end up on a pile of dev boards that I receive on a regular basis. So Sonic, have you been able to to check them out? Are they like, I think what was Nordic? Some Nordic. They are quite cool, like Cortex MCUs. And 2 kilobyte RAM microcontroller. That's tiny. Crazy. This must be like. Fu isn't here. Yeah, we will have another stream this weekend. I promise. I will only stream now for 1 hour because yeah, I don't know what your latest update is, but basically, Johnny jinxed my project, and everything went sideways. I had the board for the Ultra cluster finished and uploaded it to JC, and they weren't able to process it. It was too large. Yeah, a few smoking servers there. Hey, Johnny. A few smoking servers at JC. Maybe let me check if I can share the file manager, JC's file manager. All right, here let me share that. All right, so Johnny, I just mentioned that you jinxed my project. So look at that. This is not the yeah, they didn't hear of that. No, viewer. No, that loads for an hour. That's several megabytes of data. Oh yeah, but I still I only have an hour because I need like to put this. No, it's not bigger than 50 centimeters, but the initial one. Let me go. The file manager isn't. You can't find it usually. Wait. Does it show here? No, it doesn't show here. But when I go to the site and try to reorder, you will see Okay, the uploaded file, upload history. So this is where I tried to upload the blade, which is quite big. It's cut off here. Zoom back. Okay, upload history. So it's quite large and it didn't work. The outputs file are no. Wait, maybe I can. Oh yeah, I can click here. All right. So this is the file manager with the project that I transferred, and it just doesn't show up. You can Gerber viewer. There is no preview. It took ages and it did nothing. Then I deleted. I just deleted 3/3. Hey Peter, 3/3 of the board, and then it took a few minutes to process, and then the board showed up. I tried to re-upload the older project here, which actually wasn't even shown here, I think. And then I redesigned everything for a quarter of the board. I have even, maybe I can load it in a minute. And then yesterday I discovered with some optimizations I can even upload half the board. It takes really long to process for it to show, and that's why I did the work like multiple times to fix the board. And the problem is I designed everything. It was already like, it's quite tight, everything. The space is quite tight. I designed everything for like this to be shifted against each other, like the other half. And now I lose like I lose like few millimeters because I need to cut it in half and put two next to each other. I will show you. This is the mock-up. I have ordered different connectors. These are PCI Express ×4, I think. Yeah. And needed to place them at the edge. I show you why when this loads. Does it load? Yeah, it loads. It takes a moment. So everything is, oh yeah. Yeah, Johnny. Control Home Assistant from chat. Johnny, we need to do a stream with your latest integration, so we can do also the live chat thing. I'm looking forward to update it because I need to enter the stream ID again and again to able to get the chat on screen. Washing machine, is it loading? Yeah, while streaming it's very slow. Oh wow, probably my CPU is 70%. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's true. RAM full? No, that was just using as a cache. I think 50% of that is okay. While this is loading, let me grab the goodies from downstairs that I got at the Embedded World that I kept. If you have been joining me, you would got more stuff like Sonic did. Sonic got nice Nordic semiconductor dev boards because I don't have time for that, unfortunately. I'll be back in a second. Is it still loading? Oh, damn it. That's... Alright, so... I have... Okay, so I got a JCPCB backpack. Look at that. But there is... It looks like it's waterproof. Like neoprene, but yeah. Really good quality. But there is one thing you need to... Let me zoom out. You need to help me with. Okay, so here in the front of the backpack, when I close it, here, there is this. What do you do with this? What is this? And there is like another I have probably DDR3 RAM. So what is this? Because I can imagine this looks nice and waterproof, but when it's raining directly in here. It's called for collecting water. I have no clue. That's so weird. Yeah, I don't know. I don't. And it's not like there is like you can close it with the zipper, but next to the zipper. And then they didn't run the DRC check on backpack. That's cool. Yeah, so a little bit weird, but it's a free backpack. I can use it for swimming. Yeah, it's cool, and it's JCPCB. I can show off. And they gave me also this tester here. That was a gimmick. That's cool. Pen type multimeter. It's a multimeter. Okay, wait, but yeah, I think we need a battery. Ah, shit! I dropped it. Whatever that was, the tip here. No, it seems, yeah. That's I think that's you just you test. Yeah, testing circuits that I put after raining. Okay, I have some. The most important stuff. Oh, I got plenty of stickers. By the way, I met also Maya Makes, and I met an engineer that's sitting here in Germany. Because they have like a German outpost, I would say. Of course, the mandatory Mauser bag. And yeah, that's that. That's the tester. I won't put. Oh, it's reading the help. Oh no. Don't read that to my ear. Alright. Yeah. No worries. It shouldn't read that. I don't know. Anyways, this is how it looks like now. And yeah, I had like several iterations. So this is now the half blade version. Let me rotate. Here we go. So there is 1 millimeter apart, and I needed to put the connector like that on the quota XC. Johnny, is this your integration now? Yeah, that's why we don't use the API. Alright, look at that. That's like less than a millimeter clearance here. That's why the connector needed to go to the edge. And there's also I calculated we have in between each board like there is like, if you look at that, I measured also with the caliper. So the QFNs here, that's why I turned it around this way, because these here are thicker. So the QFNs are on the inner side. There will be about 1.4 millimeters between the QFN and the next PCB. Yeah. Cray. I mean, what happens is, I will start this device, and this is basically a time machine. There will be someone will receive a quantum fold entangled dream about a supercomputer like that in the past, and build a Cray with the technology they have available back then. That's how it works. Yeah. So that's that, and yeah, that's the current state. That the issue is I needed to reroute everything here, the connector and everything. Data lines are fine. I'm just reorganizing the power lines. This is only missing, and then I can place the order finally. So that's the state of the project, and I hope this is the last thing that goes wrong. Yeah. Anyways, I met this JLC engineer who sits here in Germany. Of course, they are unfortunately busy this week because they were at a fair. But from next week on, I can directly contact him, and he will solve anything that might come up, or at least he will try. That's cool. Yeah, that's it. I added also a little bit more space, 0.5 millimeter, for V-cuts here. You need a little bit more clearance. How many chips? Yeah, that's 512. 512 of the small ones, and then you have another 17 of the bigger ones. That's that. And components, I don't know. Should we check the stats again? Reports. Oh, let's check bill of materials. Last time we checked, the blade was like a kilometer of vias. No, what was it? Oh yeah, it's not that many. It looks like it's only 3,000 components or something. Yeah, I won't buy TDK resistor. That's a placeholder, just or capacitors. Okay, Panasonic resistors. Yeah, resistors are the most. 512, 17, then crystals as well. That's that. So this is the state of the, did I save it? Yeah, let's save it. Anyways, you are curious, because I don't want to design on stream. We will have another stream this weekend. I'm not sure when yet, but there will be one, because this is a short one. I received the remainder of the gimmicks from AliExpress. Super oscillator. What? What's super oscillator? What? I didn't turn them on yet. Yeah, it will be 3 kilowatts of heat in total. So this board will be 1/128th of 3 kilowatts. It's not much. What is it? 20 watts per board, but in the sun it's 3 kilowatts. Yes, it's a JBC. No, it's not. It's Chinesium soldering iron. I didn't turn it on. So I have no clue if it works yet. It's sitting here for 4 days already. Heat exchange. Let me plug in. Oh, how do I plug it in? We have like a plug power socket to plug it in. Ah. If the stream goes down, then you know what the issue was. Okay. Oh, my pink cable. All the sockets are. Wait, this one. This one can go. Okay. That's it. Yeah, we can check them out. I hope I didn't turn off anything that was important. Okay. All right. So we had the little power supplies here. We have last time that was cool. All right, let's plug that in. We need that here. Okay. Let's turn it on. Oh! Ooh, it has a display. Alright. It has this spring here. Oh! That smells. Oh, the water is gone. Look at the tip. This is the one. I poked myself with that one. We will check it out on. That's 300. Okay, and this is the target. Yeah, there is not much thermal mass, so it will probably heat up quite fast. Let's see. Set temp. Woohoo! All right. Yeah, there is not much thermal mass, so. Oh. It will. Cool. That's that. It also came with, I don't know, high purity soda wire. What is it? Lead. It's it's leaded soda. This is also leaded soda. Okay. And it also came with tips. I don't know if these are the right tips for. Oh, I poked myself again. So I showed you this tip holder. Yeah, this tip here. That one, I think they were both like $70 or $50 or something. Can give you the link in a second. But before we do that, let's test it first. So we see that it actually is good. 200, a bit more. Oh wait, is sleep mode? Oh yeah, it's going down in sleep mode. That's cool. So, oh, interesting. So it senses when it's put back in the station. So it cools down a little. I like that. Okay, let me. This is the bigger one. This is the one. Yeah, 50 euros is the price for that one. Yeah, I dropped the link. Here. It's the link for this one. Now we have the bigger one. The bigger one isn't much bigger. I mean, the tips are, if you're not soldering O2, O1 components, you can probably, this one probably suffice. Okay, let's turn it on for the first time. Ooh, fancy. That looks cool. Ooh, yeah. Woo, the first time it was, that was fast. Did you see that? Okay, let me zoom in how fast that went, like from 0 to whatever. 350. Okay, that's, oh, that's up. Temperature. Ooh, that's cool. I like that. That's fancy. And I have like 4 presets. What? Can you set that to 1? How do you? Yeah, all right. It's stored. Is it stored now? Okay, let's see. 350. Boom! It goes up. Overshoots a little? No. What is the actual temperature? Yeah. What? Actual temperature? What is this red line? Boop. Boop. Ah. Alright. It's probably current. And now it's going to sleep as well. Oh. Yeah, let me give it a little bit of water. Water. I have that will go sideways. Ah! All right. Hey, Carl! Oh, people are joining. Just notice that the stream will only go for another half an hour. Okay, so oxidization. No. Chip, 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 chip. This is the knife tip. Okay, we will check them out on. I like that. Boop. This one doesn't have beeps. That one has beeps and this stuff. Okay, I will give you a link for that one as well. They're probably, you know what? I think they are even compatible. So you have this. You can change the handle use the fine handle for this super tiny soldering with both of them. So where is the? Oh wait, what? The price increased? I hope not, peeps. Maybe it's oh yeah, that was 60 iPhone. Yeah, that was the iPhone is upcoming price is 75. They just increased the price. Look at that. They just increased the price to be able to tell you that they will decrease the price. But I paid way less than that. So what's going on? I don't know. You just you just, this is just for reference. You can choose whatever you want, but you need to take the iPhone Quindo said that one has fixed grounding. Oh wait, EU plug. 90 euros? What? Look at that. I paid 70 for that one. Wait. What the fuck? Oh, wait a second. I had a coupon as well. Maybe the coupon is yeah. So I guess this will be the regular price. And then you can, yeah, you can here, there is a coupon and you will get even lower price and whatnot. All right, so yeah, you do the shenanigans on AliExpress and with the stuff. Wait, here. No, there. I have other stuff. Okay, let's turn it off. Thank you very much, soldering station. We will check you out in a second. We have different stuff. Received some. Oh yeah, tweezers. So titanium tweezers. These are like needles. So I think I got my COVID shot with needles like that. It's very, very pointy. We can test how hard it is to punch the bag. Book. Yeah, I can just, it just goes right through. It's like a needle, like that. Damn it! I lost the cover, the tip. Yeah. How did you see that? I know it fell down, but I can't find it. There's so much crap on my floor. I will move to another room, by the way, that's almost twice the size. This lab is... Oh yeah, I found it. Yoo-hoo! Here we go. Book. And the second one is the angled one. So this is the typical one that you would use. Yeah, we need to switch to the microscope in a second. Third time is a charm. What? Yeah, by the way, yeah, we had the power supplies last time here. The nice little things. Okay, let me plug in my thingy. Okay, let's say this is the power. It's one of the power supplies. And we need some probes. So I got a bunch of those, an assortment of probes. How do I show that? There's not so much crap, and with crap I mean my project. This didn't suppose this supposed not to be my soldering place. It's over there. There's like another bench. Oh no, the alcohol just spilled. Ah, fool. That was the dispenser bottle. Okay, so yeah, we had only those clamps with that device. So gone it is. And here we got stuff like... No, wait, that's... Wait, that's testing leads. That's testing leads. Here we go. Plenty of testing leads. That has nothing to do with that. These are cool. You can actually puncture... Let me zoom in. Puncture wires with that. That's cool, because I need something that's for testing that is quite better than what I saw. What I have so far. What is this? Very pointy needle? Yeah, it is very pointy needle. Okay, so pointy needles for testing. A lot of that stuff, but I also got, let's see here, yeah, crappy DuPont things, but yeah, your plug-in is quite liked. Oh, but the cables feels like rubber. Might be silicone. So this should be a relief to have something like that. Boop, boop. Here, and then the bone wires, and then power up this stuff. Okay, I need a male to female the bone wire in between, but this is these things here. I feel alright. That was not expensive. Then we have, what else do we have? Oh yeah, the power supply. I don't know what was the specs? It says, okay, let's see. All right, we have 65 watts max. That's 3 amps, 3.25 amps. Wait, 20 volts. 20 volts, 3.25 amps. So you can run a laptop from that, but it doesn't look like as good as the other one that I got from Amazon, the Beseos or what it was. We should try it as well. So this is the old thing that I used here. Let's plug it in. Ooh, and it has a blue LED. Thank you for nothing. I hate LEDs on power supplies, but in that case, alright. Let's see. Let's plug it in. Yeah, it turns on. 20 volts. It shows 20.39 volts. So oh, okay. So it's either this or this? No. No, we have 20 and 12 volts at the same time. That's cool. But yeah, this is the setting. Very cool. Okay, power supply. Power supply is alright. Here, this power brick. So I can move that downstairs and charge my phone while I'm asleep. Nice. Alright. What else did I get? Did I forget anything? Yeah, a bunch of wires, small probes as well here. Some small probes. That should help. That's like a wire brush. Not a regular brush. That's just crap. Alright. Let's not waste time on stuff that is not interesting. Let's switch the microscope and see. Ooh, the light is still doing its job. Oh, by the way, I sent back the $700 power supply and got a new one for 380 without VAT, because that's a business expense. Yeah, I saved a lot of money, I would say. 350 bucks. What is it? Half the price now. All right, so let's test it. Yeah. All right. So let's start with the bigger the bigger soldering station. Okay. This is the iPhone one. Let me place it here next. And then okay. Let me grab a board with the regional rework. Oh yeah, you remember that one probably. That was a pain in the afternoon. Okay. Let's use the this thing. It's too bright. Yeah, okay. So yeah, a little too bright. Here we go. All right. So this was quite painful. Let me rotate it like that. Oh, where is it? You remember when we tried like this crystal when we soldered that. That was painful. Also reworking in between the LED and yeah. I need to set it sharp for you. Okay. Let me turn that on. Okay, this is the knife. Oh, wasn't properly plugged in the cable. All right. Okay, this is the knife from the bigger one. Now I need to back up a little. Okay. In comparison, this is the conic tip from the TS90, and this is the knife tip from the, what is it, C210. And this is the new flux, the crystal flux. Let's see. Very pointy. Right. Can I get in between there? Yeah. Not really. Not really like that. From this side maybe. I could, but it's... Oh, it's really hot, huh? I can feel like this is melting instantly. I can check that. Is it still too bright? Should I back up the spotlight a little? I want you to have some contrast here. Right, so this is, yeah. You never used the knife before. I like that. For reworking QFNs. Look at that gross edge here. Zoom in a little. Zoom in a little. Give it some precision flux. I like the flux, doesn't smoke much. Right. Alright. Oh yes. Oh, that's so elegant. Nice. Love it. Let's see how well we can handle ground plane here. So this is completely no thermal relief, several ground vias. Yeah, look at that. Oh, that's cool. You can see the solder. Look at that. You can see the bismuth coloring. Oh, this is cool. Nice. Yeah, it's a low temp solder, so it certainly contains bismuth and other. Oh. Let me clean the tip. Yeah. Ooh, nice. It looks good. Yeah. Oh, this is another. Oh, why didn't I buy? That's like well invested $70 here. This is amazing. And the temperature is stable. You can see the current, that's cool, on the graph. Whenever I dip it somewhere or whatever. Maybe I can show the camera. Switch to the camera here. to see. Can you see that? Is it reflecting too much? How do I put it? I should put it somewhere where you can see that. Put it on the... Yeah, but now the cable is too short. Right, let's put it here. So... yeah, it's reflecting. But when I... let's see, when I dip it, you can see it spikes, the current spikes. But the temperature is really stable. Also, it seems like it's only deviating by it's not deviating at all. This is so cool. This soldering station is really cool. Okay. So Johnny, what did you fix? Are you using now like another key? New beta version with another key? Let's try this one, let the other one cool down, and we will try another tip with the other one. Okay, so this will be now... yeah, I will take it over again. Oh, yeah. All right, and let's switch again to the microscope. Oh, solder pin header? Yeah, we should do that. Okay, now this is the fine one. The tip looks, look at... okay. Okay. This is the TS80 conical tip. This is the finest I had before, and this is the new one. Look at that. All right. I have some pin enders here. Let's try reflowing them, but I will try to get in between. Can I rework there? Like, I want to rework that pin here. Yeah, no problems whatsoever. Oh, wow. All right. Yeah, I like that. Let's get this pin, this ground. Yeah, I can get in between there, or let's see if I can. Oh yeah, I need to do this pin here. This is 0.5 millimeter pin pitch, huh? Don't forget that. That's quite, yeah, this is precise. I like that. Okay, let me switch the tip of the other one. I hope it's cool. Yeah, they cool down really fast. And that's another way of working here. Okay, I will switch the other one, the hyphen, for the conical tip. So this is the, what is the 210 tips? This is the smallest they can go. Okay, so this is the hyphen again. Oh, let me clean that. It's brand new, smokes a little. All right. Let me see if I could use the conical of the hyphen. Yes, yeah, that would work. Barely, but it works as well. Look at that. I can get in between those components. I think the closest was, let me try this. Yeah, this is the closest one. Let me switch that. Switch that. This is newer version. Newer board version. All right. Yeah, this is close. Look at that. We have like, this is what we were not able to rework with the TS80 for sure. That wasn't possible. Okay, and now I can get in between there. Yes, all right. Yeah, that's cool. Want to see a caliper? Let me get the caliper. Here. What is the distance in between here? It's probably 0.5 millimeter. Okay, no. Okay. So round about. Yeah. Yeah, that's 0.6 millimeters. That's cool. All right, so the bigger one would be sufficient. What is this? What is this gun here? That's no quality. Now let's try using that with the header. So, oof. Let's see if we can reflow the ground pins here. I think this is, yeah, this is ground. Oh, that works better than the TS80. Look at that. We reworked the with a conical tip. We reworked the TS80 stuff. Here, there is that. Look at that solder joint here. That's not good. That's cool. You see that plane? That's what we heat up here. Oh, it takes a little, but the temperature is stable. Or here, this thing. A little bit of flux, and let's see. Whoop. Yeah, there is some oxidation, but probably knife would be better here. Can get the oxidation off. Look at that. There is no thermal relief on those pins. Let me even put it on 350. See, because this is not low temp solder. Yeah. That's cool. Whoop. Okay, let's try the small one. Okay, turn that off. Oh no, I didn't turn the other one off. Now it's still hot. Let's wait a second. You will fix some crappy soldering here. Look at that. Okay. Wait a second. There is a thing where you can unplug. Yes! Oh, there is like a hook thing. I will show in a second. You can unplug hot tips. That's actually cool. All right. Yeah, let's fix that. Let's turn it on. Oh yeah, that went instantly hot. Hot swap. Yeah, it's almost hot swap. Right here, this is the small knife tip from the 115. What was it? 115 tips. Whoop. Yeah, knife. The small one, I like that. I mean, it's not probably not for like rough stuff, but like soldering huge XT60 connectors. But it's good enough for soldering anything like on a board. Look at that. Beautiful, like it. Here. No problems whatsoever. Let me put it to even hotter. Let's put it. Here, that one looks shitty. Here, that one also looks shitty. Whoop! Look at that. Wow. Okay, that's at 340. Whoop. Okay, yeah, that melts. Oh, that pin moves. That's too hot. 340 is too hot. That is instant. Yeah. If I leave it too long, you see the pin starts moving, so the connector gets melted. Still, oh, there is that time already. Let me switch to this one. This one doesn't have thermal release. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah. What? This is like an old connector from when I bought stuff off AliExpress. Look at that. Let's fix everything here. Okay. Yeah, I will never recommend TS80 again. This is the technology moved on past that. I mean, it's not a wireless or not wireless, I mean like a portable one, but I guess for those tips you get also portable things like that. This is super cool. All right. Yeah. Yeah, you're late, Jumbo. We're just about to say goodbye for today. Okay, here you go. I show you how to switch the tip. So there is like a hole and you pull, whoop, and then you can put on the new one. So even if it's hot or whatever, this is the knife again. I guess there is a way of putting it on as well. That's smarter than what I do right now. So hot swap might be possible, but yeah, that's cool. I like that. You can just probably you can even get rid of like soda blobs with that or something. I don't know what this is actually for, but there's like some places for the other tips. All right, peeps. Oh, no, this is the other one. This one here. So pressing the tips. So you mean like this one? Yeah. All right, that looks cool. Yeah, probably you can do that. All right. Folks, I will stream another day this weekend. I unfortunately need to finish my fortunately need to finish that and place the order. We need to get this shipped soon, people. This crazy thing here, look at that. Look at that. 128 boards. Not Isla, that will be a JLC. They have the parts. Not all for all the boards, but they have parts for plenty of boards. Alright, thanks for joining this short one. I didn't want to interfere with other ones, even though Quindo doesn't stream today. I will, it will, not sure if it's Sunday. Nordic Fair swag was made in Poland. Nice. Cool. I didn't know they manufacture there. Alright, peeps. I see you next time. This is quite soon. And then we will do some more coding, I believe. And I hope we don't need... Yeah, we don't need the soldering station to rework these blades. Because this 512... MCUs, I don't want to botch them, alright? Bye bye everyone, have a nice evening. See you next time.